Asa, what are you doing? This duel is over. We won and Denji is gone. Let us retreat before we get swarmed by devils.
Fuck you, Yuru. I'm sick of your stupid duel. I already lost everything.
Denji is the only thing I got left, and I'll save him even if it costs my life.
Damn it! I can't get control of the body, but this is not the time to argue. I need those devils out of my way. Hope this still works. Flag spear, Michigan sword. It's over, Asa. Move on.
No, it can't be! Denji!
Lordstar, what happened?
It seems we got swallowed by a bunch of devils, torn into several pieces inside their stomachs.
Shit, this can't be happening now? Just when? I was so close to getting sex. Could have had unlimited kisses and so much more. This cannot be the end, right? Couldn't we devour them from inside? Recover some blood at least.
I believe we could, but I won't do that. We're done here.
Why? Haven't you done this before when—
So you do remember our contract and its conditions?
You wanted to see my dreams. In exchange, you'd be my heart.